fun. Okay, so I have another DAC painting, and this one is called Little Lizard Garden. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I saw this, I was like, I need to have this. And I showed my husband, and he's like, oh, that's really pretty. So I said, yeah, we're going to be doing it eventually. So I bought it in a heartbeat, and I'm so glad I did. I don't know if it's on... if it's available still. I'm not sure. I didn't. I'll link it though. So if it's not available, they'll probably restock it. And just put email me when, or notify me when available, and then they'll email you if it's if they can get it. So, or if when they get it back in. Okay, let's see. I have my dime bags, 7 and 4. Squishy. All square paintings get tweezers if it is. I believe the little like children ones, you know, the $25 ones, and the ones they sell on Amazon, I don't believe they come with tweezers. But I don't think they're actually square either though, but I'm not sure. But square is the one, are the paintings that come with tweezers. And these are easy to donate to people, you know, friends, family. Oh, look, I got another a yellow one, a yellow seashell. I love it. I love them, so it doesn't bother me to have the same. So life's too short to care about that kind of stuff. So, okay, then let's take this out and let me show you. Oh, look at all those greens, you guys. Ooh, look at all those greens. Okay, it's a little squished. There are 65 colors, and let me show you what this looks like. I think it goes... We'll put it this way. I love succulents, you guys. Succulents are amazing. I have a lot in my house. And then this is just the koi in the pond. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to turn it around. So let me take it down, and then I'm going to turn it around. Gorgeous, right? Oh my gosh. So yeah, 65 colors. It's by Catherine Kahn. Let's look at the painting. Oh my gosh, it's huge, you guys. Okay, it's not going to fit in my screen all the way, so I'm going to take you all the way out, but that's it. Oh my goodness gracious. It is beautiful. Ooh, look at how it's huge. You're going to be seeing green forever. So... truth be told. Okay, let's go this way. So it is a butterfly. Okay, so I thought these are butterflies, and I was right. So butterfly, butterfly. Oh, look at the little lizard right here. Little Lizard Garden, right? And so that's a lizard. Oh, you can see them in there. There's your koi. Butterflies, succulents. Is there only one lizard? Oh, there's another lizard over here. So let me, oh, I can kind of get you guys all the way in this way. So here's another lizard. There's the koi in the pond. Oh, here's more lizards over here. I love catching the lizards and petting them. And I catch them and release them, but I love it. So they're so, like bluebillies and stuff, they're so like prominent here in our yard. And I love them. So when they're slow, I'm like, hey, you're slow, I get to pet you. You're in my eyesight. Look at this lizard. That is so pretty. And these are those like cabbage succulents? I'm not sure. But, oh, and there's a butterfly over here. Oh gosh, you guys. This is just, whew, nice, nice, nice. It's big. It's going to be fun. Oh, let me show you this side over here. Okay. Even the water looks beautiful, right? I mean, even you can tell. I bet these are, oh wait, these, I was going to say, I think these are ABs, but I'm not sure. The rocks. Oh gosh, you guys, yeah. I will link it down below. So hopefully it's still in stock if you love it. So if not, when it comes back in, just make sure you notify me. And make sure you always use a coupon, you guys. Always, always use a coupon. Go to Diamonds and Washi. Her YouTube channel. Look at this green. Oh my gosh. I'm going to scoot you in. Go to her channel. And Emeralds and Fairy Lights. They have coupon codes all the time for you guys. I'm not affiliated, so I don't have a coupon code. And honestly, the 20% off is better than the 10% if you refer a friend. I'm like, why would you go with the 10%? So I don't even bother with the refer a friend anymore, because I'm like, go get a 20er, because I would. So I'm sorry, but I would. 154. I'm all about coupons. Coupon codes, oh yeah, I am so down for them. This world is expensive with, you know, your groceries and everything else. And this fluff stuff, like if you can afford it, then yeah, use a code 699. Because that extra, you know, $10 or whatever can go towards some milk. So, oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. 4 912s. Whew. 310s, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 310s, which if you don't know, 310s is black in the DMC world also. I cross stitch and black is 310. So, oh, look at this one. 913, 913. Oh, 3 of those. Those are gorgeous. These are just beautiful greens, you guys. Beautiful greens. So actually, I don't know if I would get tired of seeing them, because that is just so vibrant. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Oh, we'll get there. Hold on. So 320. Oh, so we had a 320 over here. So we got three 320s. Are you going to focus? Let me see. There we go. It doesn't like the background. Just trying to figure out. 3810, 738. Oh, I didn't tell you. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs, which is Aurora Borealis. Oh, so it is. That is going to be an AB. That white one I was showing you guys. Yeah, so there's 5 ABs, and then there is 2 fairy dust. Woohoo! 2 fairy dust. 911. Oh gosh, look at that. 4 911s, you guys. 597, 300. 580, 3861. So you get 2 of those. Yeah, 2 3861s. Those are probably rocks, right? 437, 453. Oh, look at this one. 141. That's your AB right there. And then this one is 2. Oh, look at that one. That is an AB also. 122. Oh, that's beautiful. And then 3818. Beautiful. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is going to be fun, you guys. 3041, 732, 550. Oh, you get 2 550s, which is the purples. Ooh, 733. Oh, this is your Z, so this is your fairy dust. Your fairy dust also. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I just love this craft, you guys. It's so relaxing. 452. It's like so relaxing. 319. And the squares are my absolute favorite. I don't have OCD, and I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to it. So just have fun, you know. 135. Why stress about something like this if your squares aren't aligned perfect and stuff? Life's too short. Just have fun. If you enjoy the process and you're just zoning out, then that's all it takes. That's all that matters. These are gorgeous. I love that blue. Oh, look at that one. That's an AB 120. $210. Here's that one, 772. It's beautiful. 778. That is an AB right there. 211. Beautiful. And we have 37. 316. 301. 3328. 308. 2 of those. Alright guys, I will link it. We'll see you all later. Bye.